Okay, hello, and good evening, or I guess, yeah, good morning. Um, so it is currently Friday, December 6th, 12:13 a.m., and it is New York session. So New York session opened at like at 10 a.m. Yeah, at 10 a.m. and yep, I took a trade. I have a new trade. I kind of changed my trade, and yeah, here I am. I have a new trade, and this is AUD CAD. And so for AUD CAD, only the reason why I took this trade is because what the if you were to look at it in the weekly, it is bearish. It is bearish, and it's like breaking the structure as well. And the daily is bearish as well. It is in the bearish trend, and it did have an engulfment heading to the downside, breaking the structure, and it just had a retracement, just had to retest the area of interest or the structure and head back down. And if you were to look at it in the 4 hour as well, it is bearish as well. So it went, well, I'll go to another. Yeah, let's go with this so I can draw. So anyways, this is a bearish structure, bearish trend. They low to low, low to high, low to, or I guess high to low, and then low to high because it did not break the structure over here, and it is currently making its low to low. But anyways, it is in the bearish trend, it is in the bearish structure. It just had a little retracement to the upside at retraced or retested at this wick, at the tip of this wick, and then is completely going down now. And yeah, I took the trade there with a, and I have my stop loss just above this candle, the body of the candle, and I am going to be aggressive in my stop loss since it is very volatile right now, since it is what do you call this, CPI news. So every first week of the month there is a CPI news, I guess, or like the volatility is insane in every first week of the month, and I am taking note of that, and I am taking advantage of it, and thus I took a trade with this. And yeah, if I were to use like what the Fibonacci, I don't really know how to use this, but I'm pretty sure it's like this one, and there's the retest, the levels of the retest, then retested at this place, this point, between these things, these levels. I don't really know how to use this, but it retested at a pretty low point though. It didn't really retest all the way here, but and instead just went retested over here. Just retested at this wick, at the wicks here. I guess it is a solid retracement or solid structure as well, or solid what do you call this, area of interest there. Since there are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like 7 to 6 wicks that are bouncing in this that are like hitting this line, and I guess this should be like a psychological number, so like 907, and there, boom, and a lot of wicks hit this area, and even this one hit the wick over here, and yeah, that was a good insight. I saw this, and I waited for a trade. I waited for this to break structure, this candle to break structure to indicate that it is going to go down. And yep, currently it's doing its thing, and I'll inform you guys later, not tomorrow but just later, in maybe 10 hours, 15 hours, depends on how quick this will happen. But all in all, I have to go now. Bye.